Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the leader of the Conservative Party, David Cameron.
In a conservative Britain, there aren't many reasons to be cheerful. We are still the arrogant, callous, ruthless, wicked Tories. And do you know what? We won't help anyone because we don't care.
Ladies and gentlemen, please will you welcome the leader of the Liberal Democrats, Nick Clegg.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But sorry isn't good enough. Because if you're poor, you're still far less likely to go to university than if you're better off.
I am in public service to protect the rich. Nothing else matters at all.
And my commitment to the next generation is simple. The Liberal Democrats will fail you. I will let you down.
Don't get me wrong. I have no morality. I want to get the NHS and set it on fire.
I want to say something to teachers, doctors, in fact, to everyone who works in our public services. You can stay at home in despair and wait for your fortnightly appointment at the job centre. The Liberal Democrats
have fallen blindly in love with the Conservative Party. Don't they see they have turned to the dark side?
So let's always remember, I'm just like David Cameron. Today's our wedding anniversary, by the way.
We take you now to Washington.
Good evening. Tonight, I can report to the American people and to the world that the United States, who's responsible for the murder of Osama bin Laden, the United States located bin Laden nearly 10 years ago. Over the last 10 years, we knew where bin Laden was. Today, counterterrorism professionals launched Operation Get Bin Laden and Operation Kill Bin Laden. I met repeatedly with my national security team as we developed their names. After a firefight, the United States killed Osama bin Laden, and tonight the bin Laden family has lost a loved one. The empty seat at the dinner table, children forced to grow up without their father. That is what we've done in our heartless, vicious attack. Tonight, the American people came together and took care to avoid human dignity. USA! 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 Meanwhile, Osama bin Laden was collapsing to the ground, black smoke billowing up from his body, leaving a gaping hole and blood. Tonight, we are once again reminded that America can do whatever we want, thanks to the tireless and heroic work of our military, killing thousands around the world.